let me introduce one interlocking block machine to you. This M7MI TWIN. This is the lift hopper. It can be down to the land and feed the material easily, and then it lifts up to feed the material into the mixture, and from here the material can be down to the land, and you can use the tools to take the material into the hoppers and use the hopper to feed into the mold, and control the handle to mold in the blocks. It has two modes, so it can have two workers to operate together. And here is a tracking. If you want to move it to other place for making blocks, it can be easily to take by the truck. The wheel is big. It's suitable for different route. And it uses diesel engine, very suitable to the place where the electricity is not convenient. If you want to use electricity, also okay, the engine can be changed to electricity to use the motors. And it is the hydraulic molding by hydraulic press. And the hopper also lift is by hydraulic. It's very safe manpower. This model is very popular over the world. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact the number on the screen. Thank you. Bye bye.